some companies are going to struggle with it. I think some companies have already struggled with it, and you're going to see companies fail, and then you're going to see YouTubers and people are like, oh, this is bad for the crop industry, this and that. And like in the back of my mind, I'm just like, this is just
All right, we about to get active, boys. We back to live streaming and everything. We about to get back to regular scheduled program. No cap, no cap. But we gonna see what we can get today. Let me just make sure all the volume and everything's all good. I think it should be good, but we're gonna see what we can get today. Right now, I'm just waiting for everyone to join this live stream and the Zoom call. So I'm gonna just take things slow for right now. It's only 9. I'm waiting for ideally like 9:30, around there, 10 o'clock, because I know there's news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So I'm within that time frame is where I'm ideally looking for. Ideally on Nas, I would want to see a drop, and I'm looking for a drop on S&P also. But I also know that if S&P potentially goes to run this previous day's high, I know there could be a potential short opportunity. Overall, long term for this day and week, I'm looking for the weekly high up here to get targeted. But right now, my ideal trade for long would to see price drop, to see a push reversal in the trend to start pushing higher. That would be my ideal move, but I'm just taking at what it gives me, and we're just waiting right now. Yo, what's up, bro?
Yeah, not work, bro. Tired as hell.
Shit, I feel you. I'm fucking tired, but we here.
Morning. Yeah, but we here.
We here. Ugh. Shit, I wasn't gonna wake up for London session. My shit, S&P hasn't really been having the move of recent anyway. It be
I'm
having
bullish.
it had it on Nas at like 3:30. Had a small move, but it would have never went all the way.
Yeah,
I'm bullish too. I want to see it run these lows,
yeah, same.
and because there's
Literally.
a 4 hour for value gap in there, right under that low. And that's just in between that range. That's where I'm kind of gonna scope for it. I have the 50% of the fair value gap right here, and then that lines up with 38.20% on the fib from the previous day's low to the previous day's high. So we'll see. And it's around 40.50 mid figure. So if we can come in there around like 10, 9:45, 9:35, 10:05, anything with maybe like a five, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about it.
The confluences.
I was also looking at this previous day's high for potential short because that's what
Yeah,
we're doing over here on Nas. So it may just be a little delayed. What US 30 is just dying. It's not really doing much today. So yeah,
yeah,
S&P's a move right now because then we have these equal highs right here. So if we don't run these and we come lower, whew, I wouldn't say equal, but relatively damn near
we should have a nice move.
close enough. And I'm just trying to get out before FOMC.
All that is today, huh?
Mm-hmm. ICT says stay away from the charts in the morning session. So it's either might consolidate and be on bullshit, or we might get some crazy shit.
Feel like the only people he's really talking to is like the new
Nor
beginner.
people. Yeah, maybe. Sometimes I be acting like a beginner, bro. I don't care. I be, he be like, you don't know nothing. I'm like, fuck it. He's like, relearn everything you learned. I'm like, all right, bet. I'm like, all right, man, I got you. I thought everything that you've been teaching me has been good.
Ain't no telling.
No, we gonna see right now. And then I'm looking at the weekly high up here too. That's the ideal target. I don't know if FOMC is gonna get that hit, maybe NFP, but the weekly high is right here.
I got my charts marked. I want to say, we be having the same charts.
Yeah, we have
So
similar shit right now. We get the ideas. We just gonna see if it's gonna be choppy, if it's gonna take forever to happen.
yeah,
We gonna see. What I'm trying to do this month, one of my goals for trading, I want to try to calculate my win rate and my like strike rate over like the month, the span of the month. So like go to 30 days, see how many trades I take, see how many ones are wins, losses, break even, the average risk reward. I need to start documenting this shit. I feel like that's the best way to really cater your strategy to you, depending on how much you
yeah,
go risk, your risk tolerance, how many trades you're likely to go into drawdown, so that you can kind of calculate now. Okay, if this was to happen, I would at least not want to lose this much taking those three losses. So you can kind of calculate it and work off that now. So I think
mhm,
that's my next goal. Cause I always like took journal, but it was the type of thing where I never journaled every single trade. It was like I'll journal the day, or I'll journal like one trade, or I'll journal like two of them out of the three. But it's like I never did all of them because it was always like a FOMO trade or always like an over trade. I'm like that trade doesn't count because I know that trade was basically fucked up and that doesn't follow none of the rules. You get what I'm saying? But
definitely.
I need to just do it as now that I'm taking like one trade per session. It'll be easy. It's either gonna be two trades in a day or one trade. And a lot of the time it's just been one trade so far.
Yeah, usually when I'm done.
Like I took two trades yesterday. That kind of fucked me. It didn't fuck me. I was only down 1%, but it was just like the mindset behind it. Like, all right, now I'm. But even then, it's just I don't know. My mindset's kind of shifted because the way I really been looking at these funding challenges and just funding companies overall, the way they really have it set is different from how people really view it. Is you're really risking like 10% per trade, risking 1%, and 0.5% you're really risking 0.5%. And I'm listening to all these people that have all this money in it, like I have multiple. They're like the goal is to just try to pass them, to try to stack them up together, to then literally risk 0.25% per trade, just with all of them combined. So they basically have it so they're never gonna
A lot of
lose the account.
sense.
Yeah, it's not like they're never gonna lose the account, but essentially it's gonna take a very long time to lose that account.
Yeah.
So it's like the way they're going about it, and those are the ones that are actually making the most money, being able to actually consistently do it. Because risking 1 to 2%, that's really risking 10, 20%, and it only takes a
Yeah.
couple of trades, and that's what I kind of realized in a way. So just certain things I'm learning over time. That's cool though. Watch, I told Jenner, I don't know when. I think it was when me and him were playing Warzone. I was like, we got to make 1 million this year. I don't know how we gonna do it, but we gonna figure it out. We gonna figure it out,
One way or another.
bro. And then I started doing all the math right here. I swear to God, I was on Warzone. I was like, all right, bet. Now I got to figure this shit out. I was like, to make 1 million a year, we have 12 months, 20 trading days, 2 sessions with 0.05% risk. But then we were thinking, we did the math. It was like you got to make like to make like 250,000 a year. All you got to make is like $2,075 a day
2,075.
to make 25 to make 250,000. Because we did the math. To make 1 million a year, all you got to have, I think, is like 4,700 or something, 4,500 a day. And I was like, a 1 to 4, I could do that. You know what I'm saying? And then we was like, all right, bet. Now what if we just did half of that, 2,000? And it was like, all right, that's 500K, half of that. You get what I'm saying? It's like, okay. Now you start to do it, and the only way you can really make that happen is if you stick to the actual just percentage gain, the percentage game, because that's the only way it's gonna help you. Because if it's all scattered now, then it's like fucking it all up. But if it's a consistent loss and a consistent, like a minimum win, like a minimum of a 1 to 2, and the rest could be possibly bigger, but it's always a 1 to 2 or more, you can kind of calculate the math. Like, okay, if I only take one loss and then I call it a day, I can only lose 0.5 to 0.56 maybe percent, because you know how shit never is perfect. It's never an exact 0.5% loss. But that loss added up, it's all a numbers game. This is all math. You just got to really do the math correctly. And then at that point, it's just sticking to the math, because that's what really
That's what
fucks
I've
it
been
up.
realizing.
That's what really fucks it up is what we do. Because it's that
Just need
same
a
analogy,
strategy
bro.
that sticks in the line with
Mhm.
the.
It's like I forget. It's an analogy I've been using, but it's like fuck. What is it? I don't even know. I lost my train of thought. Y'all got it. I'm thinking too fast. But now, what's up, Kino? What's up, Martin?
What's good, bro?
Nah, we
What
active. We
up,
active.
gangsta?
We seeing what's up. We seeing what's up.
Yeah, I'm not trading today.
And I'm
Shit.
only looking to take one trade, so we gonna see what we can get. Ideally, I'm just waiting for these ideal longs down here in the 4-hour fair value gap. Come down, clear these lows, tap into 38.20% from the fib from previous day's low to the previous day's high. And yeah, I'm gonna try to take it to his weekly high ideally. But more than likely, I'll scale out before then, depending on how fast that shit moves. But nah, Kino, I was just telling Kel, I did the math on how to make $1 million in a year just trading. Just trading, nothing else. Nothing else. And it's definitely possible. If you look at it risk reward wise, not risk reward, if you look at it percentage wise, all you got to do is really stack up enough leverage.
It's always possible. It really just comes down to the mental, bro.
Nah, like it's very possible. Like to make $1 million a year is like only like 4,500, 4,700 a day type shit.
But once you see the numbers, once they get bigger and bigger, it just that's when the psychology kicks in, because you're like, damn.
Now imagine $1 million in a month. That's like 47,000 a day you would need to do maybe.
You know,
it's crazy. It's possible.
It's easy and hard at the same time. Like conceptually easy.
Yeah,
reality
easier
hard.
said than done, but it's the mental part, the process part, the getting to that point part.
Facts. It's getting to that point.
Because it's all the same thing. Like, regardless how much money we're making right now, I should ideally be doing the same thing, making $1 million in reality. If this is what it's supposed to be and what I'm doing is well off enough percentage-wise, like if I'm able to have like a 50% to 60% win rate with what I'm doing, that's really all I care about. Regardless how well it looks, if it statistically can make me money, if I just follow the rules and just say, fuck wins, fuck losses, just stick to the process,
Yeah.
then that's all that really matters at the end of the day.
That's it. And part of my loss yesterday, I was literally following my plan, so I wasn't mad at it. It was just like one of those
It's
statistical
just one of
problems.
those things. It feel. It's the way it makes you feel. We know it's not bad. It's just the way it makes us feel, though. We can't really help it. This just comes with
Can't
over
help it.
time. And it's
I
those
know it's
things. That's the
following.
things that get in your head and shit. Like I'm on the same shit, bro. But right now, I'm just sticking to the one trade per session, or ideally one loss, then cut it for the day, and then that just keeps it at that. Cause I'm trying to calculate my win rate, all that by the end of this month. So I want to see, like, sticking to it all month. What it'll all be.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stick to the plan, bro. I ain't even gonna deviate, no nothing. Just stick to the plan. Whatever outcome happens,
Like it's gonna go bullish right now.
What time
that
is
we
it?
can't look at SPX.
9:16.
That's
Yeah,
Yeah, this S&P.
uh,
probably.
and Nas didn't really make a move yet, but US
Yeah,
30
that's like
did
ran the high, but it's just been slowly moving up. US 30 is just kind of US 30.
moving. Yeah, US 30, pretty much.
I ain't even gonna look at that. S&P is the one consolidating, so I'm gonna just wait for a break above to clear these highs to potentially drop, or to break these lows coming here for a possible long. That's really what I'm just waiting for. Whichever one happens first, that's gonna decide honestly what I take.
In the
But we'll
market,
see.
we made a high of the day and cleared the London high. We still got the Asia high intact, previous day's high, and then the weekly high.
Mm-hmm.
But we also got liquidity sitting low after we already broke structure bullish. We're obviously bullish. We're just waiting on liquidity to get grabbed before.
Yeah, I want to see
Right.
what 9:30. We have the news at 9:45 and 10. So this next half 30-minute candle is gonna be devious.
Gonna be crazy.
Let me look at what the 30-minute candle is looking like. This could engulf bullishly, or it could just keep dropping. Well, not
What
this
is
one. It's gonna be the one after this. So we'll see what this one looks like. If this one closes in engulfing, that might open it up for straight bulls.
I have you guys in today's video. Also, if you're new around here and you're enjoying the content, I really appreciate you also drop me a sub.
Let's look at it like this too. This is the London low. Even though I want to watch lows get ran, let's see if it has a potential continuation from there. I'll see how it reacts when this 30-minute candle closes.
Sit on my hands.
waiting too, buddy?
Yeah, we still got time.
Waiting this together. Waiting. My boy Bell's at.
I don't know. I think who's up?
Sleeping.
Who's up London session?
I cannot do London session.
I like it. It's just, I don't know.
It's
I
not
couldn't
making
last night. I gotta go to sleep just on my time. If I go to sleep at the right time, it's kind of clips. It's cool though. I might not trade the London sessions the days we have like news in the morning, cause I know there'll be that volume. And like if I would have woke up for London session last night, I wouldn't have found nothing anyway, and I probably
been
would have.
dry as hell. It's just waiting.
I need to make it so. I don't know. I might fuck around, start going to sleep at 12. Make sure I set my alarm. I'm gonna set like 18 alarms, all alerts at the Asian session highs and lows. So whenever it goes to it, it just wakes me up.
That's
Because that's the only
you
way.
probably would have caught something though yesterday. The Asian lows right there. We ran it. You could have caught that potential buy.
Yeah, I don't know. S&P
Wow.
hasn't really been running. S&P hasn't been running the highs and lows as ideally. Like it's been doing shit like this, where we're like slightly run it. And then yesterday, I thought after we ran that high, we could have had a move, but that shit faked. Yeah, looks like we're pushing, at least for right now.
Accepting the first Airbnb booking of the year.
Nice. What was the bag you made last year?
Hell yeah. I haven't even. I'm still waiting. Airbnb was supposed to send me my little form like 2 days ago. So my wife's like talking to them about that.
Yeah, I have to add the taxpayer info for the sign up. This is the first time I'm putting the tax in. This is a good shit. Which one did you do, Kyle?
What's up?
This is like the tax page for you did W-9?
What's that for?
I have to
Airbnb.
go back and look
It's Airbnb.
Oh, you be doing Airbnb too?
because we're
Haven't
doing
done it
everything under
yet.
our LLC too.
Yeah, it's the tax requirements for the U.S. It's like one of the I have to add tax info. Is it tax info for this or tax info for my taxes? That's what I was confused about.
You in Airbnb too, Andre?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out. Let's see what's up.
Makes
Wow,
sense.
dude. I didn't know what to do in that situation. I didn't know he was going to have a knife. I didn't think he had one. I thought he had a gun to start with, so I just pushed up like he had a gun. That's actually a good play whenever you're in close quarter combat with me. You see me, you're in a game with me, pull out your knife. Because sometimes, like, I'm not going to expect a whole RPG to the face. Like, yeah, in that situation, I did not expect that dude to have a knife. So you can catch me on guard.
Big knife. Big knife.
You just seen him. Teammate. I don't know. I think you just seen him, bro. Yeah, he's right there.
Excuse me. Potentially a really bullish day, but gotta see this one. Gotta see how this one look like. That what candle was that? That 8:30
So,
news.
yeah, I need to open a LLC for this Airbnb.
What I've learned is, bro, you should open LLC for everything you do, literally, because you can take advantage of like getting all the credit card fundings. Like you can get multiple. You know what I'm saying credit cards,
Just with the
business.
Airbnb shit, or just
Well, I'm just
overall
saying,
in general.
yeah, in general.
Thorough.
My homie Dorsey was putting me on game. He was saying like every like 6 months he gets a new LLC.
Every 6 months. Fuck, he getting that for?
It's so he can get multiple like high limit business credit card.
That's wicked, bro.
I need some business credit cards. Not gonna lie. Okay, I'll put that shit
Telling
in
you,
trading account.
y'all need to tap in with him, bro. And he does. He's licensed. He's a licensed tax preparer. So if y'all need taxes done, he'll get y'all right.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna definitely need to talk to that boy.
Use your boy's name so I can get a little honey bun.
I got you.
But I gotta get my numbers and shit.
Somebody getting buys right now. My God. Scary. I've been down. I've been low. My mattress on the floor.
This game is insane, dude. It's back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I'm pulling out some crazy clutches. Without my clutches, we would be getting obliterated right now. And I have like dead silent second round. It helps me out so much, man. It really does.
All right, I just did the thing for the tax. So what is? I just had to put like all my tax stuff basically, so they can know how to do all the info. Basically, like the shit you're getting sent.
Yeah.
Copy. That's just said. Could take 10 days. Yeah, better not, bitch, nigga.
So,
Cause they got
You Airbnb your crib, bro?
yeah. Cause I'm gonna try to Airbnb it when I go places. But I was talking to Kel cause he does Airbnb too, and I was like, shit. Since you're 6 hours away, some days I Airbnb that shit. I can slide on you. We could do shit out there. I wake up in tree with that man.
Facts.
I be like, yo, bro.
We out here.
I'm like, yo, bro. You know what time it is, right? He's gonna be like, it's 2 a.m., bro.
And we're waking up that early. Cause I gotta go by your size one of these days, though, for real.
Oh yeah.
You're not too far from me. I'm like 1 hour from.
I don't say Orlando's like my second home. I mean, I'm eventually moving out that way, but I don't even know where I'm going. If it'll be Orlando, it may be Tampa, it may be Miami. I don't know. Might be Texas.
I'm trying to move to Miami, man. Just give me some time. I gotta stack up.
I might move to Africa. Who knows?
Shit, I'm trying to travel. I just want a crib somewhere, and then I could just start going places. I need like a stable place where I know I'm up, and I don't gotta worry about bills for fucking years.
Yeah,
And then I could just start going and do other shit.
that's a fact. That's the plan.
But shit, the way these bills set up, yeah, I gotta focus on the bills
Yeah.
first.
But that's a fact. The bills come first right now, bro.
This is the best game I've had since that 30 bomb that I originally had in the game.
Yeah, we're not really doing nothing right now. We got 4 minutes, so let's open.
Like now, you can't really keep these going like that.
Spoiler alert, there are hundreds of ways that real estate investors will lose money over the next 12 months. I saw it in 2000.
What? Dang. David. Got the 30 bomb at least. I wanted to clean the round, but I had to just notice that guy. I figured my health would actually heal faster as well. It didn't. 30 bomb situation. Sticky bomb. Someone really let me down the 30 bomb on you guys? Come on, man. Come on, boys. Y'all can do better. Yeah, he is. You're the real thinking in my. Oh my god, okay. Wow. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, thanks, teammate. Thanks for taking that. Well, it's a 1v4 situation. M. What? Gotta be A or B.
It's been the slowest morning. Goddamn.
Yeah, it's all really just waiting for the news, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Really a trash morning, but
Hopefully the 9:30 gives some oomph. Something. You know like them Reebok shoes that you can pump air. You need it to pump some volume. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, I ain't never seen that shoes.
Yeah, it's like an older shoe. It's like the Reeboks. It has like the air pump. Kel, I know what you talking about. You probably used to wear them.
You say with the pumps?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
No, I never wore them, but I know what you're talking about.
I said we need that to pump some volume. That's why I need the market right now to have a market pump.
Give me the thing. 1v4 situation.
Yeah, I never wore those Reebok shoes. I don't know. I couldn't fuck with them. It was just like husky. It looked like a husky Jordan with like a pump on it.
So,
My mom just sent me
he
fan
was
pic.
trying to call you a dinosaur, bro.
You got me.
Nah, I just feel like his little.
Hold up. One of y'all niggas is me.
You said what?
Somebody.
Martin.
I'm not the oldest nigga in here. That's what I thought.
It's cool older than you. I think Martin older than you.
Yeah, Martin's older. But it's cool. Martin's like the dad of the group, but he knows.
Hey, don't be bringing me into this.
It's too early for this shit.
But yeah, those Reeboks were dope, bro. You should wear some, man.
You wore 'em, Martin?
Good morning, gang. Good morning, gang.
I said you wore 'em? Good morning, too.
Shit, I'm trying to buy some throwback 80s apparel, man. That shit makes me feel powerful.
I don't even
Back in
know.
the element.
I knew somebody wore 'em.
Nah, I used to wear FUBU.
I got my little spot that I go to.
That's OG.
That's OG clothes, bro. For real.
Usually mid, they don't
I used to wear FUBU too in academics.
He's got a shield.
Luckily, I think when I was born, my dad worked at like a fucking shoe store. So I always had some nice shoes when I was a baby. And ever since then, I had like all Nike. That was it. I had like Nike boots, Nike shoes,
Bapes.
Nike slides. It was just Nike everything.
She was a fly kid, bro.
Oh, it's so
Shit. And then once I grew up, they stopped buying me shoes. They was like, you gotta work. I was like, damn, bro, what you mean? The fuck? I just want some shoes, bro. My feet hurt.
Ain't never had
Had to
Yo,
save
man.
up $100, bought some, some LeBrons, and it was up from
I'm waiting
there.
for this bitch to
I
fly.
love KDs, bro. I probably owned every KDs. Well,
I didn't really have KDs. I don't think I ever had a pair of KDs.
I love.
Big fan of KD's.
I'm a big fan of KDs, especially when he was on OKC. He probably had every damn shoes that he came with.
I'm straight.
So he's dropping.
But more of a Jordan. I don't fuck with Jordans. If we're going like sports,
Yeah, we pushing. Let's see where
I'd
we
be
push
wearing
to.
Vans. I wear Vans all the time.
I don't think I have any more pair of Vans. I had like the mid top Vans.
I wanted to get in that buy. I should have so recent. It's just
Ooh,
something.
ooh,
Yeah, luckily you didn't.
ooh.
Or it could be giving you your entry. Either
Yeah, it's
or.
just like
Some.
I don't get afraid of pullbacks.
Yeah, I don't get fired for it back.
This
I
is all
like.
consolidation in my eyes, so I'm just kind of chilling.
I'm just trying to see that lowest point, that lower point, or maybe just keep pushing down. Bro. Let's
Yeah, I
see.
ideally want to see
It
it
breaks
just
this.
see it go lower before it goes higher. Because it could go higher from here. It's just we would really have to be bullish, like fully extended bullish.
I
And
want
no,
to see it drop anyways.
I want to
Yeah,
see it.
it dropped.
I don't even know. As of right now, I want to see what it does first. But based off like the markups, if it comes here, then I want a long. If it comes up here or up here, I'll just kind of be waiting around, see what it does. But I know it wants to come up here, ideally.
Hasn't
FOMC.
been much. No,
Let's
it's
see,
not
what time do these news hit? 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock?
10 o'clock. Yeah.
Yeah, I see he's talking about we will study the 2 to 4 p.m. session today. So I guess he's expecting a later move.
I mean, then again, we have bigger news at 2.
Nah,
Yeah.
he's saying like he said FOMC is typically a two-stage delivery, meaning at 2 p.m. ET there's initial price run that many times get reversed on harder than the initial price run. We will study 2 to 4 p.m. session today.
Mm.
Ignore the AM session. Be safe.
Tuesday could be our low of the week. We run lower to push higher, grab the previous week's high for a Thursday
Yeah, that's what I'm
reversal.
thinking. Tuesday's the low of the week. I don't want to see it come any lower. After having this reversal, I'm thinking this is like the shift. And then we could come
Thursday.
deeper into it, but I don't want to see that come lower, in my opinion, because we're already so close to the weekly high. Bullish NFP. I don't see why not. But only time will tell. Only time will tell.
Anything will probably
Relationship with you.
39.15.
Nas is falling.
US 30. Damn, US 30. What happened to you? My condolences. Yeah, people could probably look to fucking breakout trade that shit, but you know me, that's not my type of thing.
See how clean S&P is compared to these niggas?
Nah, yeah, it definitely is. S&P, I just kind of wait. And if you want to, look, let's take a hypothetical. Like, even though I'm not going to really take this shit. Let's just say, for example, you're just going off the base of the fact that you're watching the other ones and you're targeting lower. Let's just see what it would have done. I ain't taking that shit, though. I don't break out trade. That's not my swing.
Seeing something on my Snapchat.
We'll see if it follows similar to these. I just want to see it go lower overall, regardless if it's from now. I just want to see it go lower. Damn, bro. Move my shit. That's just so much slower than these other ones. I just look at US 30 like, damn.
Yeah, you started moving, pushing.
How big is this? 100? Damn.
Yeah, that John dropped like 100 points on the open.
But even though I don't really care for this trade, but you guys get the idea. I'm going to take it off just because it feels like I'm in a trade when I'm really not. But let's just look at it go lower. What's the 1 hour looking like? Damn, and if you look at the just over a higher time frame, this daily time frame is so these highs are so close.
I like that, man. Like Frank, you like Booker T too? You get a good one.
All right, now it's picking up. Now it's kind of picking up now.
Yeah, we got news in 10 minutes, and then we have news in 25 minutes.
It's about to start waking up.
How big is this range down here? I'm thinking a 10-point stop ideally if when I get to the down here. If I can get in around the 50%, 10-point stop, 38.20%, 10-point stop. Not bad. For an ideal target of if we don't run the Asian session high by then, about 30 points. That's about a 1 to 3, 1 to 3.4. Not bad. We'll see what we can get.
What should we do? Sister. I don't know.
Okay. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does.
I'm fucking hungry.
Feels like it found some support, but news is still there. That's why I be like, it'd be a good trade right now, but it's just like, damn, news is still coming. Yeah.
What the hell, boy? This shit is still not moving.
Still in that good area.
You got it. I can't. This range is killing me.
Oh, yeah.
Break out somewhere.
Saying I wouldn't be surprised if this area holds.
What trades would you bring on the table to keep them?
At this point, this shit gonna look like you gonna do this. Wait, this shit moving.
Pressure a man like that, and
Create a big ass
Probably.
tornado wedge.
family.
Usually on days like this, it does get pretty choppy, especially if we have to wait till later time news.
Yeah, our best bet is just waiting for the highs and lows to get ran and just playing the range and just try to get that. And if it ends up being the long, just try to hold it as we can. If it's the short, just have a logical area to target. We're gonna see though. If it doesn't get to these areas by a certain time, I'll just call it a day.
Need a hook, and I was like, "Hey, look, it's just 70."
I ain't trade London session. I'm cool with not taking trade today.
I gotta take a trade in like 4 more days.
It was out now.
You saw what? You are?
I'm still sitting on that 100K account. FTMO sent me an email talking about you haven't purchased or used your account in 30 days. It's gonna get deactivated or something.
Damn.
I was like,
Damn.
so y'all just gonna force me to trade in market conditions that I don't want to trade in.
I'm telling you, it's not meant for us to win, bro.
It's not meant for you to win, bro.
Like, if you really think about it, FTMO or any funding company is really only giving you 10K to play with. So, in a sense, it's all about numbers now. The same thing, having a 10K account is like having a 5K account or having a 100 or having a $1,000 account. You get what I'm saying? Because if you risk the same percentage, you're doing the same thing. I guess it's not your own money, but in a sense,
You get caught speed, you know
It's the
what I mean?
same type of.
Yeah.
You'll be able to make the same money.
Whether it's mine or not, it's still
Careful
the
down here. If you see the
Yeah.
high beam there, I'm gonna be flashing all day long. It's more than the cops. We're warning the cops that the cops are coming.
Funding is just better to get the leverage, so you don't have to put it all up front. The only thing is, it's just being able to get the challenge. So all that money you put into it is kind of like, damn, I could have had my own funded account. It's just the market's not meant for you to win, and neither is brokers.
Funded accounts.
Neither is fun. Yeah, it's just a lot of things stacked against us. So you gotta just move
Everybody
right.
knows you guys don't get caught speed, you know what I mean? Y'all have fun. Careful down here. If you see the high beams right down there, I'm gonna be flashing all day long. More than the
That
cops.
shit out of there.
The cops are out here.
Oh yeah, you was 30. Oh my lord.
The cops are sitting down here running
He
radar.
just ran.
Yeah, what did Nas do?
Yeah,
Nas
that was
ran to
what-
London. No, it didn't even run London Law.
Yeah, that's it. Kind of did.
It almost did. Like,
Hey, guys,
just
you gotta
barely
be careful.
didn't.
US one down there.
Maybe
flashing
on his broker or liquidity feed it did it.
Be careful about that. I'm just letting everybody
Can't
know that
close.
guys don't get caught speed. You know what I mean?
Didn't close it.
Y'all have fun. Be careful down here. If you see the high beams right down there, I'm gonna be flashing all day long.
Yeah, US 30 is up there.
Automatic hug. You know what I'm saying? If you first time you meeting a chick, or you the chick ain't that comfortable, a handshake is fine. You know what I'm saying?
All right, 4 minutes until that news.
I'm on. Like it's obviously
Let's
a
see.
happy greeting.
Which
right?
news is it?
Then she says hi. Wow. Look,
S&P
now, listen. Look at her.
Global Manufacturer PMI. S&P?
Let me ask Perplexity.
Is it gonna move this shit? S&P news? S&P Global?
A handshake is fine. You know.
Okay.
The vibes for S&P today.
It's gonna be. It's relatively flat. The opening price is blah. Closing is blah. I be asking the same shit. Like, what's the algorithm, bitch? I can't disclose that.
S&P love trash. I ain't gonna hold you. It's dirty.
Yeah, we got news in 2 minutes and that's 17.
The bias for the S&P 500 today is still skewed to the downside. Recent data has to lead into a bearish outlook.
Yeah, if you look at the news at 8:15 we had, it created a big ass bear candle. That's one thing I kind of like to look at, like where price goes with these news events. Even if it's not a major move, sometimes it like show where they want to put orders in.
Yeah.
Not always,
Says
but it's just
despite
something I kind
this,
of watch.
it says the odds still favor the bulls due to the bullish bias of equity markets over time and incentives for investors.
Interesting. And we're in a consolidation, so that helps. That helps. Kind of, not really.
That's the
No way.
Perplexity. It's kind of like ChatGPT.
Mm.
Like pull up all these different website sources and like give you like a detailed summary of everything. Pretty dope.
Where are we going?
Where we going? This candle, I'll say this 15-minute candle, it's not doing anything much.
Yeah, 30-minute candle is gonna be closing. Well, it closed.
You got 61% short on S&P. And then
all of them are short, so we gonna stop them niggas out. Fuck them niggas, and then we going short.
Maps all green, so yeah.
Yes,
I feel like we're definitely bullish. It's gonna have to be bullish.
We gonna stop them all out. It's gonna run lower, then it's gonna push them all again, but we gonna be out by then, so it's not even gonna matter.
I feel like if anything, they're gonna have to really sell it because this range is so big. So we might get like a big spike in price.
Shit, let it come right down here, and I'm in there. That's all I'm saying. Like this range in between, there's nothing here. I just wanted to see it clean, come through. No price action, no nothing.
Three, two, one. Okay, we got.
All right, let's see. That's a doji. Jeez Louise.
Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. I was expecting a spike in the east side. Nothing crazy. At a 10.
Yeah, maybe at 10. All right, on to the next one, man.
really have to take.
There's some bull.
Some bulls, yeah. Some bulls came in.
Hey, does someone got a bird in the background?
I got my whatever this shit is open, so you can hear nature, bro. My fault.
No, it's all good, bro. I'm all like, is that me or is that like what the fuck?
I don't got a bird. This is outside my house, my apartment.
Hey, that sounds pretty lit though, for real.
Martin, I feel like you got a bird.
Okay. Thanks,
Fine,
Kels.
okay, I got a bird then. Okay.
Thanks,
I'm
Kels.
trying.
Shit.
Do you have a bird? A pet bird?
Nah, bro. Shit.
You remind me of like one of those like Harry Potter like
He
dudes.
said Harry Potter dudes. That's funny.
Nah, bro, but I do want to join the Autobahn when I retire. Go bird watching. That's one of my goals, long term.
Hey, I feel
Go
you.
out in the mountains, like up in like the trail mountain.
Yeah, trails, forests, rainforest, wherever.
Just to go watch birds.
Hear their sounds, hear their study their behavior, stuff like that.
That's cool. That's cool.
One of my goals in life, my wife thinks I'm crazy for it, is to, I don't know, but see how far I can hike up Mount Kilimanjaro.
Hey, you need some practice.
I'm trying to
Yeah,
climb
I
Statue of
spent like
Liberty.
it's gonna be like 6 months of training.
You need to
Hey,
train.
let's go to Alaska. Not Alaska. Let's go. Let's go to.
They say it's 50. It's about $50,000 to do the hike.
Damn.
What? You can't hike that bitch by yourself? What you mean?
Hell no.
It's
You
not
need
free.
expertise.
Nah,
Oh.
fuck them niggas. We up there, Cal. We ain't paying. We gonna go up there and we gonna trade. We gonna make the money right
Tell me
back.
what time you want to go there, bro. We can just go there. Just
We go
me,
up
you,
there.
me, you, Andre.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all
Fuck them
wild.
shit. You got us. I'm gonna put on my scuba suit.
Remains of city boys found in Mount Kilimanjaro.
With laptops next to the bones.
I'm gonna be like, one's wearing a scuba suit.
It's a laptop next to the bone. As a fact.
I'm like, they gonna,
MetaTrader screen still open.
oh man, they gonna see a big ass
Indeed.
loss. Big, it's gonna keep going. No stop loss. It's taking me to debt.
It's still floating drawdown.
These dudes are traders.
Oh man,
Damn.
it's like
They didn't know what they was getting themselves into.
so
Like,
it's
this was their
devious.
last known of activity. They entered this buy at 1908.
This is like CPI.
It
This
hit
is going
TP,
negative,
but
negative.
they got taken out.
I feel like that magnet is really helping.
Mm-hmm.
Magnet?
There you go. You gotta look at it like this. It's like a. It's like a puppet.
What you
I
talking
think it's very interesting that they have a magnet symbol.
Oh yeah. Pull
Maybe
it.
trading something we don't.
You gotta pull it. You know what I'm saying? But if it doesn't work that way, then you gotta wait a minute. That didn't look like how it was supposed to.
All right, you was the pushing.
There we go. There's the magnet working his magic.
SPX is pushing, but
It's still in the range though.
yeah, it's still just range.
I'm gonna watch how it plays out at these highs.
It'll definitely run those highs. Like I said, short-term buys would have been nice.
US 30. Damn. US 30 is just devious.
Pretty much, bro.
I bet you Kai's in it.
Didn't even come to the fib down there. Like, damn. Come to 50%? Okay.
I already see it. I already hear it.
You already hear what, bro?
Now, US 30, it's definitely devious. That's all I could say. But if you get US 30 in the right areas, you could definitely trade it good. But it's just like hard because it's 50%. I wouldn't have been looking to get in the trade there. But then if you look to the left, it's a nice fair value gap. So I don't know. Maybe some people are looking at it that way.
Martin, I got some peacocks outside my thing right now.
Look at that.
Martin said, I never seen that before.
Where you got? Where are they at?
In my own, they outside my house. They outside.
You got peacocks running around your house, bro?
Yo, they be just.
What the fuck, dude?
I don't know.
I don't
Maybe
got
every
peacocks,
morning.
but
I don't see them after the morning time, so I don't know where it goes to. But in the morning time, I see them every time.
damn. I'm trying to have some flamingos.
I
Flamingos
wonder how
walking around my shit.
it's
Yeah, Nas and S&P are really just ranging. Like even Nas never ran these lows. Ran I think these lows, not the.
Is I.
Hey,
Who was that?
who fired, bro?
Bro, that was me, man.
That was Kev, bro. That was you,
Steph.
Martin?
That was me.
This nigga Martin.
That was me.
Bruh, I'm just be like fucking. I had beans yesterday, a bean burrito,
Oh yeah,
Taco
makes
Bell.
sense. All right, I'm about to watch these highs. Let's see how we start going. I'm gonna start getting deeper into time frames. We on the 5
Sounded
now.
those beans.
We watching.
This buy could have been elite, but I'm just gonna stick to the script.
I should have taken.
Yeah, we
Hey,
definitely
bro,
pushing
I'm
right
becoming
now.
a wizard.
That's how I need to feel. I ain't a wizard yet. Not
I
in
be feeling.
2023. 2023, I haven't earned wizardry yet.
What is wizardry? Where is that?
I don't know, but look, it's a wizard right here.
Oh, no.
Not yet. I gotta look at it every day so I can remember what the
I'm
goal
gonna be
is.
up. I finished. Did I just take a buy to get an extra $300?
Nah. I don't know if it's worth looking for even shorts before this weekly high gets ran.
Yeah.
It's an iffy situation, but I'm gonna see how it plays in the area. Liquidity's liquidity, man. Liquidity's liquidity, man.
This goal is pushing, man. It's pushing.
Yeah, I'm gonna just wait to see how it reacts up here. If it starts to play out nice, I'll take the sell, and if it doesn't play out, FOMC was a bust.
Yeah. No, this is. I feel like Asia low was ran. I'm looking at the 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Mm.
Might fly.
Yeah,
Fly.
that's Asian lows of trend. No, which pair?
I'm looking at SPX.
Oh.
Yeah.
I say Nas London lows is red.
Damn, we just extremely bullish.
Yep.
Yeah, I think it's just setting up for NFP though.
Setting up to stop niggas out.
Don't do it, Cal.
Yeah, don't do it, Cal. It's gonna be your first trade on FTMO.
I think it's that.
FTMO gonna be like, yep, we got this nigga to trade on those account. We got him right where we wanted him.
Yo, what's your guys' thoughts about selling Nas at 12,163?
Shit. 12,763.
12,163. It's the last week's high to this week's low. Did a fib and it's a 79%.
It's possible.
It's a 79% fib level.
You said a short?
Yeah. So from last week's high to this week's low. So doing the fib tool and then seeing where it could retrace to, and it's at the 62% right now. On the NAS, it almost tapped the 70%, but I think it could go to the 79% for a short.
Yeah, by that time we'll be really high in price, so it'll be more likely
really
to possibly drop. We'll see. I don't know. The only thing is, depending if it gets there around FOMC, I wouldn't even bother.
To be honest,
it might just keep flying. You're right.
Yeah, it's a bullish week, bro.
So, I might not even take trades today, my boys.
It's bullish from last week, bullish this week, so I wouldn't really push
that weekly high is a strong area of liquidity.
Yeah, you could definitely take that right there. That 12.25, 2.25. Yeah, kill that part.
What time is it? It's going in at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna see how it reacts at 10 o'clock going at this high. We have 5 minutes. We're gonna see.
5 minutes, boys.
5 minutes. All I want to see is this shit start to react. I want to see a break in structure on the lower time frame. Yup. Don't miss it, bitch. You bitch.
I just want to see that shit start wicking both ends. And I'm like, yep, I'm glad I stayed out.
I'm cool with getting in though. It's just one. I like to be able to. I like the opportunity, even if I lose or win. I like to feel one. Learn with it.
Give yourself that opportunity.
I don't know. I feel like I'd be not wasting time, but if I sit here and I just look at stuff, it's not wasting time in a sense. But I don't know.
I feel like if
let's see. Well, let's look at the 5 minutes looking like. For all we know, this might just be a pullback to keep going higher. I just want to see it come a little bit higher though. At least clear that previous day's high.
It's so close, bro. It'll gravitate. If it doesn't, it wasn't meant to be.
Yeah, we're gonna see.
Wow.
I'm just waiting for the news.
Yep. You gonna trade, bro?
Yeah, I'm looking to take one trade. We're gonna see what it is. I was looking for longs, but it didn't go low enough. I'm looking for the previous high to get around, but we'll see.
We get a run of that previous week's high. Oh yeah, I'm definitely looking for shorts.
It's that take your lunch money market.
Shit, but it can only take so much.
Take your lunch money.
And taking
45
taking FTMO's money.
I got 3 minutes till this news.
Hey, you guys want to know some numbers?
What's up?
Here, bro.
So we thought buying a truckload of books was gonna cost $20,000, but it comes out it's only gonna cost $2,800.
Really? That's
Bruh, each one's
That's
gonna
a
make
major
like
difference.
That's a big. That's not even close. That's a huge.
Bro, that's like a whole zero's missing.
Yeah.
yeah, bro. So we're gonna get on that today because each if we buy the truckload, we should at minimum make $600,000 this next 12 months in profit.
Thorough.
Real.
Off of books.
You said how much?
$600K.
Damn. So what books are you getting?
You doing this? So what's the max you should be making off of it?
Huh?
What's the max you should be making off of that?
Depends. I think around 750, but also the low number should also be around 450. So I said about the medium. So
not bad. Selling them.
Not bad at all.
What books,
That's a good job.
Sell them bitches like hotcakes.
What kind of books
yeah,
are they? Buy one
sell
book,
them on
get
the
two
internet,
books.
bro.
Or yeah, you could turn them into digital versions and sell them.
Oh no! Sell the books on like eBay or Amazon.
Yeah, I was about to say, what kind of books are they?
They're hard copies. They're soft covers and hard covers, but we clean them up, make sure they look good. We have like a 5-star. Joe, my brother has like a 5-star like review because we always send out the best books. We donate the books that are like highlighted, markups, ripped pages, and we get like
job.
Yeah.
I do good business, bro.
Oh, that news is pushing and clear the high, brother.
59, boys. 59.
Clear the high, brother.
No, it's coming, Andre.
Let's wait for the
my previous day high.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, my previous day high. So close. So close.
I told y'all shit was gonna be vicious today. Like, goddamn.
I didn't miss it. I would have been in there, unfortunately. This shit.
We're going long, boys.
It might honestly still buy.
Bro, it's moving so
still
much
buy.
that my trading be froze.
But
I'm looking
let
at
me
it
see.
trade right now on MetaTrader. It's frozen
Did the
on here.
numbers come out?
Look, that shit frozen as fuck.
The numbers ain't come out yet. Waiting for the actuals.
Let me ask Perplexity. Perplexity will know it.
Fuck around, go long in there, boy. No
Hey,
cap.
Nas is setting up for something.
That's what Nas look like it's set up for a buy, low key.
Yeah, they're all probably getting ready to buy up, in my opinion.
Hey man, we gotta wait for the actuals.
What news is this that's hidden?
Job
FPI?
openings. Job openings and ISO and manufacturing. PMI.
The eye.
Yeah, the eye, bro. The eye. You gotta wait for those numbers to come in. It's still waiting. You can see it's just playing around. It's waiting for numbers to come. Oh, it came in. So it's kind of good.
Good numbers.
Yeah, it's good numbers. We'll see. We'll see what it does now.
What pair are y'all looking at?
S&P.
I'm looking at U39s.
I feel like if there's gonna be a good buy, I might have already missed the ideal move. We'll see though.
The ideal move, but not the move altogether.
Not yet, but I need to make sense of risk reward for.
While this is good news for inflation, it may not benefit corporate income statements.
So I'm trying to see where price would be based off like a 10-point stop. I want it to at least be below some ideal lows in here.
That's...
Okay, it's coming back down.
Because the only thing I'm keeping in mind too is I'm looking at
Y'all said it was
now.
green. That shit was red.
It was red.
No,
consumer confidence was down.
945. Oh, what's this one?
Oh wait, am I looking at the wrong? I think I was looking at the wrong folder.
Job opening is good. One was good. One was bad.
Job openings is kind of negative, and no, job opening is good. PMI is bad. It's not too crazy though. It's not like way off. It's 4,800. That was 4K. 48 forecasted. 4.7 actual. So it's not crazy.
Right now, that shit dropping. I'm trying to see what it does.
Yeah.
I want to see a long, but at the same time, I just wish it ran that previous day's high.
All I'm saying is there was a move at 935. That was the ideal move for the day, bro. You would have got in and out without all this bullshit. 2 candles. I'm sick about it. Because I was on Instagram. Mad.
Bro.
Be like that, bro.
Ooh, wee.
Yeah, that shit gone. Why couldn't it run the previous day's high? Why do you do this? Why you do this?
All right, I would still look for the longs.
I'm looking for longs, but I'm waiting for it to come down here now.
Yeah, I got my areas of liquidity.
Bro. It's probably just gonna range until FOMC, to be honest.
Hey, could have. But this is a lot big move here, bro.
I'm just watching price action.
Trading a ranging market, in my opinion, is easier than trading a trending market.
That's
yeah, because it's trending, there's not many opportunities. You just either miss it. When it's like ranging, you could just run each high. Look, ran these lows, ran this high, just kind of whipsaw everyone in between.
True.
That's really what London session really is. Just trading the range. Asian session high, low, chop them up, come back into it. When it's trending, you don't get many opportunities. Like, you'll miss it, and it just starts going.
Are we getting another opportunity to long?
At this point, I want to see Nas run these lows. Nas run the lows. I want to see
bottom of
S&P come lower now, because it's just kind of, it's already in engulfing. Damn, that would have been the ideal move right there. Right here. Fuck 930. This Asian session high when it got ran. That would have been the ideal move. I just wish it came slightly higher, but it is what it is.
I was there, bro.
Hey, we were all here. We've been watching the chart since before you were even on the charts, and we ain't even in nothing.
I saw y'all send the Zoom, but I didn't think there was a point. I knew it was gonna do what it's doing right now, which is bullshit.
It's all manipulation, but that's
Yeah,
good though because it'll fall in with the bias for me. Because then we'll
damn,
create
it really
more
saw.
highs if we come down and grab, this liquidity, and that's a pool of liquidity up top that we can aim for. Good. I'm just waiting.
But nah,
This nigga,
the fact that he's talking about having like a reversal or something, I think we're really gonna push that high and then have a big ass drop, or at least try to have a big ass drop, the weekly high.
That would be I would love to see that. Then I wouldn't mind hopping in for a short. Yeah, definitely. Because those weekly highs,
word.
that's where I'd be catching those huge reversals. Like 60, 70, 80 pips
Mm.
points.
The way it's just playing, it's not making a clear showing of where it's trying to go. Like everything still looks bullish. It's just a matter of when it's gonna try to push. Cause Nas has lows to run, so does S&P. Yeah,
I'm gonna
100 pips
fucking
ain't
throw some
nothing.
shit at this stupid ass bitch, bro. Like, why the fuck doesn't she listen?
I don't know. Don't know.
Hmm.
Females, man.
Who you talking about? Your girl, bro?
Oh, doesn't give a fuck about her grandma or mother, bro. Shit pisses me off.
Female problems. Don't we all have them?
Yeah, we dropping. Yeah, those cells up there. Damn, damn, damn. You know, it is what it is. I should have trusted it. Ran the highs, 10 o'clock, drop.
Why I gotta take my hat off? Because you just can't wear it while we're taking pictures. All right, hey, hold this one. Hold this one.
Yeah, it didn't look like the indices were really making moves past the highs and the lows. They were just trading within the range.
Mm-hmm.
It was hard to say, Andre. Honestly,
Yeah, I thought
you
it was
were
gonna
looking
come
to
for this right here. It was
sweep it a little bit.
so close so far.
No,
It
no,
did the
we're
Two,
ideal
three
Asian
pips.
session high, but the previous day's high, it came close. But since it had also a lot of confluence there, it made sense for me to try to wait.
You take it already? No, no, 1 second. Man.
It is what it is, though.
Like,
That would have been maybe.
you stay right here? Yeah, right. All right.
I'd be up, yeah, TP1.
They do what? Take your hat off first. Why I gotta take my hat off? Because you just can't wear it while we're taking pictures. All right, hey, hold this one.
Because it's about to keep shorting.
Hey.
It's probably just gonna keep falling until later on. That's where it's been going all day.
Get a big smile for you. Man, just take the picture. Take the picture. Don't take. I ain't got a smile. Bro, you really doubled the block, fam. That's the first time I heard. She. Shit out of like. Yeah, that's the shit. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. I played it in the I just got it. Just heard it. And he was like, who's get that kid that
Yeah, I can see it dropping from here in a close enough.
whoever produced that is it. That's how Chop got to LA. Wow. Because he needed to put him in the room with her. The first time I heard she shit out of like yeah, that's the shit. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. I played it in the
way it's
I
looking, it looks like it wants to go higher. I ain't gonna lie. I just don't know when it's gonna run these lows.
not not cheeky.
It might just be choppy in the middle.
Like shit, everything it makes sense to go higher. That's why I'm like, damn, it's doing all this. I feel like it's just really chopping around to push higher.
Trying to get more buyers in,
And
and
the
really
only
gonna
thing is, because I'm thinking, if it's bearish, I'm looking at like Nas and everything. If we push for these highs first, that's just leaving all the liquidity here to then target later potentially. But I don't know. Because then if we do all this, this could be the area we look to target later on, like with the drop. But we'll see. Wow. We shall see. I'm about to just hop on a 1 minute time frame. I'm looking for breaks or structures. I'm just
I think we might drop down to like the 40, like 35 area ish. That area of liquidity. It's around like 50% too. Brett.
I'm ready, bro. You gonna let me get on? I can get on the mixtape. Oh snap! FBI searches Biden's home.
Oh yeah, get that boy.
Yeah,
nah, that's low key anything, bro. Cause the fuck, like,
who searched Biden?
Colluding with Jerome Powell on pumping the markets. What?
Oh yeah, market pump.
Hey.
Jeez.
oh, dude, I got this.
Right. SPX ran the high of the day though. I'm ready, bro. You gonna let me get on the next tape? Yeah, possibly. That one could have possibly a variation. Shoulda, coulda, woulda though.
I feel like I've seen this play before.
What,
it
bullish?
looks like, yeah, I feel like it's gonna grab lower. It's gonna like manipulate on both sides. So that's what it's doing, is grabbing liquidity on both sides. I think that's what's gonna happen before it makes its move. So this might be just a choppy morning. So later.
I'm just trying to get in at the highs.
It's always choppy until FOMC.
Yeah.
All right, we got the break of structure, lower time frame. Let's see what you're gonna do, little bitch boy. Bitch made boy.
Bitch made boy.
I forget who said that. Wasn't it that white boy?
It was the white boy. That shit was hilarious.
Boy, they said, "Give me that cornflakes over there, boy."
That shit was fucking hilarious. He said, "Bitch made boy." He said, "Get that camera on my face,
boy."
Your 30 look like it's setting up for a long.
That's what I'm saying. I'm watching like both. I'm just like, what could happen in here?
But it's building up all that liquidity too.
Just thinking, what's happening?
He said, "It's just like, huh."
Just gotta watch and learn. I'm trying to see if it maybe comes into its fair value gap after breaking. I'll see how it reacts. Potential long up there, because I want longs ideally, because I have this target in mind. This is my main target, but I don't want to be in for FOMC, so it's like I don't want to short later. Let's see.
I think the move is going to end up being FOMC, brother.
It could, but the way I was looking at ICT was talking about some bullshit, talking about 2-stage delivery, ups and downs. So I'm like, FOMC may have that push.
He said not even to trade till 2, though.
Yeah, but that nigga he be finessing me. I don't trade when he say, and I see my move. Fuck that nigga.
Yeah, I think again he's just trying to redirect all the new traders to not trade on FOMC.
Like, we're smart enough to get out before the news or be in after the news at least. But damn, that shit going, you bitch.
What's going on?
I would have been straight at 9:45 off 2 candles. That's all I'm thinking about. So move was more than enough.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's all about the next one now.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda, bro. Just execute.
No, but I'm saying, like, whatever y'all looking for is probably not gonna happen.
That's a fact. I'm not looking for shit.
Shit, everything I've wanted happened so far, buddy.
What do you mean? You were waiting for it to run the high, and it never did.
I mean, it missed it by a point, not even
That's
a
what I'm
point.
saying, though. It'd be bullshit. That's
But
the
in
shit be
reality,
pissing me off.
though, it still ran the Asian session high and then held that high
It
the
did.
day.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
that London session move is definitely the move.
It's not even London. It was nigga. It was just
No,
now.
just now.
It was like 10 minutes ago, my nigga.
What are you talking about?
That run, if you caught it
Bro,
out
the one
that,
that this whole drop.
yeah,
It ran the Asian session high and then dropped at 10.
yeah, for sure, you could have caught that.
How many pips was that? Or points, whatever.
Here is about 15.
Probably like 100.
15 on here. It's a little different on the other ones. US 30 fucking shit it, but I'm not looking at US 30.
Oh, all right. That's what I was looking at US 30.
Nah, ain't nobody looking at US 30.
Nah, I'm looking at US 30. I always look.
Fuck US 30.
I was looking at 32, Kino.
30 be too much nowadays. That shit is wildin'.
I love 30-30, bro. 30-30 and Nas.
Yeah, 30-30.
You gotta have 2 O's on the side, man.
Shit. S&P, this shit's been way more structured. I'm sticking over here. This is like the calm hoe.
Waiting on these.
Other ones like ratchet little thoughts.
This the hoe that went to college, bro.
You was thinking like a
ratchet talking about it's the hoe that went to
some
college.
home training.
That was funny.
That was funny, bro.
US 30 is like a fucking
She's a thought,
like a
bro.
high end thought. High end thought. Nas is like the alright, it's a medium, and then S&P is like the calm. They just trying to get it through. You know what I'm saying? They got a family to feed. Keep things cordial.
It might hit the stripper pole once here and
once here and there. It might do some wild shit, but for the most part, it's pretty structured.
For the most part, they just want to get bills paid.
Unless it's CPI.
Unless it's CPI, but CPI is something else, bro. It's another deal.
When is CPI?
It's 2 weeks
Bro,
from now.
still need his get back.
I'm still waiting for my get back.
Nigga, I know you're not about to trade CPI again.
Don't worry about it. I'm gonna be in beforehand, and my stop's gonna be in profit. Oh God,
bro, they don't care about.
I'm gonna be in 3 days beforehand.
Okay.
Ooh,
I'm gonna be waiting for that shit.
Hell yeah!
I'm gonna be holding every
motherfucker, bro.
I'm gonna say fuck. I'm gonna say fuck every trade I catch. I'm breaking even and I'm leaving it. I'm waiting for CPI full position, and I'm gonna just catch highs and lows, whichever one lands. And let's say all just get stopped out. Then it was just a fucking shit week. Then I'm really be disappointed.
I don't think
then you start hedging in the opposite direction each trade.
That's
Dang,
that's a move, coach. That's a move, coach.
I'm telling you.
That's a move.
Hold
coach.
all the buys and sells. See whatever happens. Just leave it. Let Jesus take the wheel.
I don't think that's how it works.
Hey man, somebody gonna take the wheel.
I'm all right, Audrey. Always good. How are you?
Making them.
That's look like it's about to go up, bro.
Hell
I'm fucking with these longs, bro. I just wish it would. One of these other ones looks a little bit nicer. It's just FOMC consolidation, but it's all about adapting. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. What is CPI? Let's see.
I don't even know.
CPI is not next week. It's the week after. Yeah, it's the week after. It's February. No, that's not CPI. That's core PPI. Yeah, February 14th. Yup, that's gonna be a wicked day.
And it's Valentine's Day.
And it's Valentine's Day. You might.
Oh man, Valentine's Day is canceled. Valentine's Day is canceled. I gotta be on the sharps, bro.
One of the two gotta cancel, bro.
Bro, one of them, yeah, and I ain't. Yeah, fuck that.
Oh, I was gonna say I knew people were coming. Yeah.
I'm getting my chart time. Let's just hope I don't lose. If I win Valentine's Day, is gonna be a very good day. If I lose, I'm just going to bed again. Wake up at 4 in the afternoon. Oh yeah, it's Valentine's Day. I'm sorry, I forgot. My fault. My fault.
CPI is gonna be at 8:30. It's gonna be a wicked Tuesday. Wicked.
And it's a Tuesday. Oh man.
It's gonna be a gnarly Tuesday, bro.
That weekly high is calling my name right now. Not gonna lie to y'all.
Who popping?
Who was that? Was that mine? Not the 0.01. That's crazy. Hold on. Where's the mini account? Matter of fact, I forgot I had that shit. The mini account has saved me from getting in these bullshit trades, because this is gonna get my ego going. Pop 0.01 to the fucking moon. How much is this shit? $50. I bet. Say that. That's about
nothing.
Nah, but it's on the minis though. So if I risk $10 to make 50, it's not bad.
No, yeah. Good risk to reward ratio.
That's what I'm saying. I try to keep it the same as what I would risk. We gonna see though. The only thing with the minis, I don't know these fucking lot sizes. Like this is 0.05, but let me just keep putting 0.01.
What broker are you using?
Osprey.
Osprey.
I like the minis on there.
Somebody just posted in Q-Bank's chat that they shutting down brokers or some shit like that. I don't know what it's all about. What you got?
That'd be crazy if all these prop firms end up like closing down.
Oh man, I'll be furious. Like, goddamn.
I don't think they will, just because a lot of them they actually do make money. So
yeah,
they'll be able to pay the ones that do. You know what I mean?
It's still a lot of unprofitable.
Nah, yeah, I definitely think price may go long from here. I'm about to pop on these minis. No Kizzy. No Kizzy. Because I'm looking at the 1 hour. The 1 hour still looks pretty bullish.
So
we got 37 minutes still. But we'll see. I think it's going to mostly consolidate, but I think getting in below this range or down here is probably the best bet for longs. Who knows? All I know is I'm about to mini pop to fucking heaven. 0101. What time is it anyway? Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. I probably won't even be on here past like 10:45. Cause if it ain't moving by then, who knows when it'll move. Two ideal moves: either come lower and then push, or push from here to then possibly come lower. It's the only real analysis I have today. But yeah, let's see. You gonna come for these lows finally? Do something, big bruv.
Don't be a pussy.
That's what I'm saying. Shit's not trying to move. I need a fucking water, bro. Mouth is dry as fuck for all this talking.
Yeah, I need to do that. That's a good idea. I'm gonna go hit the G-bomb.
You want to be like that, bro? Gotta hit the G-bomb. Yo, question, bro. Y'all know anything about this? So I try to do Uber, and they, you know how they do some like background check. They have my name strapped to somebody else's name with my fucking social security card. So they pulled up on Checker that this person with my name has fucking third degree accounts of assault,
dying,
grand larceny, disturbance of peace, all different type of shit. I ain't never ever did shit like this ever, and it's coming from Connecticut. I live in New York, so it's pretty close. But it's like, god damn, bro, they denied me because this is what's pulling up on my credit, on my social security card. Yeah, I know.
Do smart driving.
What is smart driving?
No, it's Spark driving. So it's better than like DoorDash and like Uber Eats and all that. So you're basically just doing pickups at like Walmart or Sam's, I think. And like your deliveries are like anywhere from like $30 to like $60 delivery. So you can make, pretty good hourly, like good bang for your buck for your time. You know what I'm saying?
What is it called?
Spark.
Spark.
Spark driver.
Spark.
Yeah.
That's lit in Florida.
Oh yeah. I'm saying niggas be making like 30 to 60 an hour. That's why I say you get more bang for your buck for your hour.
Well, about the situation, did anybody know how to fix a situation like that?
Call them niggas.
Yeah, you might just have to call them type shit.
Call them and harass them.
They don't have a call number for checker. They don't have a call.
Oh yeah, you gotta email them niggas because I have to deal with the same shit with DoorDash. But yeah, you gotta email them.
So let me go look up Spark driver.
Come on, bro. Go to the weekly high for me.
No, it's driving.
Classic or
So, Kels, you say you emailed them because you had a problem like that?
Yeah.
Somebody else's record was pulling up on your Social Security?
It wasn't that same exact, situation, but like as far as like getting in contact with Checker, like, yeah, that's the only way is to email them niggas. I hate doing shit like that.
I hate him.
Is D still out there, Andre?
What you call it? Fuck. Damn, I forgot. Yeah, he's out here somewhere.
EMR?
Fucking yeah, bro. It's fucking, bro. This nigga Daheem. There we fucking go. I can never say that nigga name. Daheem. Yeah, I don't know. He just be everywhere, bro. He just be doing his own thing. To be honest.
Heard that.
Shit, I would assume he's still here though. I don't think he wants to go back to Philly.
Nothing in Philly, yo.
Nah, once you come here, bro.
You said what?
Once you come out before.
Yeah, you stuck out here. You don't want to go back.
Come out here, you don't want to go back.
There's too much.
Mm-hmm.
And everything.
Yeah, I think 10:30 we may get some volume. That's what it looks like. 10:30 maybe a retracement. I don't know though. Right now it's just moving slow. I'm gonna give it like 15, 20 minutes. But I'm definitely bullish.
Still nothing?
Nah, not yet.
Bro, I almost missed the trash this morning. Had to run out. Homie was cool, bro, man. He was just a regular trash, but he took my recycle too because the recycle already came.
That's
What's up, bro? I appreciate you, man.
All right.
We gonna see. I have the entries on the thing from right here at the 50% of the Asian range with the stop below all of this, anticipating a possible push to the weekly high. That would be the ideal trade, in my opinion, if it doesn't run these lows. Like if this just stays consolidation, pushes higher to then possibly run all this later, that's probably what I'm anticipating right now. Makes the most sense.
We do got one more wet news folder, 10:30.
Would you look at that? That shit better push. God damn it. Do something, big bruv.
Crude oil ain't gonna do nothing.
Shit, you be surprised. I was trading the London sessions, fucking like fucking yen news started moving, fucking price.
Well, usually when PMI news is whatever like it the forecast is, usually it goes opposite. So the fact that it's red, it does kind of seem like it's following along with the bullish. That's just one thing I've always noticed.
It should be cap, bro. It should be just fucking manipulation everywhere, and the news be manipulated. Everything's just manipulated. The colors, really, if you think about the colors, they're meant to manipulate you too.
Yeah, that's why I changed my colors.
Yeah, me too. I'm just all gray.
I got mine blue and black, and then on MetaTrader it's just all black.
I got mine's black and white. You know, on
I'm about to
MetaTrader.
fuck my head up, and I'm gonna make them all red. All I see is red.
Demon time.
Real shit. All blues are really red. Blood money. Blood money. Blood money. Train myself to when I see green or blue to feel bad.
That's
fuck up my whole psychology. We doing this shit reverse.
That's funny. That's one of my templates.
Yeah, I'm looking for it to go long. I just want to get my one trade for the day. If I'm being honest.
So you're in right now?
Yeah, I'm looking for it to go to a weekly high. If it stops me out, it is what it is. It's already getting to that time where I wouldn't even want to trade after this anyway. So if it doesn't move from here and stops me out, I'm cool with it. But it's just one and done. I'd rather practice taking one trade because I know I could just not go take a trade and go do something. But it's one thing for me to take the one trade and actually stick to the one trade. So that's what I'm practicing right now. One trade, one day, one session, one pair at a time. That's the motto. Also, fuck bias. What's the target? I have that in front of me too. And that's one of the main reasons I kind of want to get in. Because I know we want to go to that weekly high. It's just a matter of when.
Are you talking about this week's high or the last 5 days total?
Last week's high. Previous week's high.
Previous week's high, okay.
So from Friday's high on S&P. On NAS, it would ideally be Friday's high too. I'm also streaming again for the first time today. So, not first time, but first time back. Kino, how'd your shit go?
Oh, shit. I didn't even look at it. We'll look at it right after this shit. Don't care.
It should be good. I'm streaming right now. February 1st. We back in motion. Get these up. Because I remember I was saying how I want to track my trades. In case I, like, slack with tracking, at least I'll have, like, the videos. I can just go back and look at it that way. All right, if we could run that previous day's high and breaking even, and we're going to see what happens. But US 30s lack of momentum. NAS is pushing. NAS has been following S&P, so that's a pretty good confirmation right now for me.
It should look trash, man. Low cap.
Yeah. I'm just looking at the target. That's the main thing I'm looking at.
Looking trashy. News wasn't even that crazy. I guess it's just waiting for later on.
Yeah.
It wasn't really that crazy.
That's why I'm gonna stick to S&P. S&P has the least likelihood of just whipping me out fast as fuck.
Right.
I don't like the way it's looking. Just how rangy it is.
What are you in? You in buys or sells?
Why?
Me,
You
I'm
in
looking for
buys?
buys. I wouldn't trust sell. The ideal sell for me was at the Eastern Session high, and it looks like it would have had his already moved down, in my opinion. And the fact that it's just kind of playing around makes me think it wants to run that high again, then maybe fall. But at that time, I'm gonna break even. So we'll see. And once I'm break even, I'm done for the day. Oh yeah, who's joining me on this the dark side?
Mm-hmm. No problem.
So 15-minute looks scary. Yeah.
Definitely getting volume a little bit. Time to start adding alerts.
So, all right, let's go.
Put them alerts in. No cap. I'm gonna give it to like 5 minutes. See what this next 15-minute candle looks like. And I'll probably just call it a day.
Ugh.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. IBDM bias hasn't changed.
I want to say we should be seeing some kind of push soon, whether it's to the upside or downside. Because we're kind of squeezing now. Price is kind of squeezing. I have to make a move.
I'm about to call it a day. I'm gonna leave the trade running and everything, but I'm about to take a shower and everything. I'll keep the chat updated. We'll see what happens. I just have my alerts set right now. But we waiting for that weekly high, man. I want to see what happens with FOMC.
I'll say if you leave it up, that's cool. I'll have a hop off.
Yeah, I'm about to hop
Go
off.
ahead, get rolling.
But all right, boys. I'm gonna talk to y'all. I'm gonna be back. I might trade London tomorrow, but I know there's news tomorrow too, so I might be for New York. We'll see. Only time will tell. But I'm gonna talk to y'all, boys.
Later, everybody.
All right, Martin,
Okay,
Kino,
later.
Cal. Y'all be
Later,
safe.
Cal.
Peace.